friends! In this video, we will learn how to explain how to do something. Stay tuned!
How to, or expository or descriptive text. What how to means. How to are text or books that tell how to do something. And another word for how to is expository, which means to explain. So if you're explaining something, you're telling how to do something. And also, if you're describing something, that would be a descriptive text. So if you're reading an expository or descriptive text or book, that is a book that is telling you how to do something. And these are actually also non-fiction because they are about something in real life, how to do something in real life. Unless you're talking about how to train your dragon. That would be fiction. So for this lesson, I'm actually going to teach you how to make a PB&J sandwich. What you will need to make a PB&J sandwich: peanut butter, crunchy or smooth, jelly or jam, the flavor of your choice. I used blackberry. Sandwich bread, white or wheat, a plate to eat the sandwich on, and a butter knife, which is a round knife, not a sharp knife. Step 1. Wash your hands. It's very important that your hands are clean before you touch any food. Step 2. Get 2 slices of bread. Step 3. Open the peanut butter and jelly or jam. Step 4. Take the knife and spread peanut butter onto 1 slice of your bread. Step 5. Use your knife to spread jelly or jam on the other slice of bread. And before you do this, rinse off your knife after spreading the peanut butter. Step 6. Put the 2 slices of bread together. Make sure the peanut butter and jelly or jam is touching. Step 7. Use the knife to cut the sandwich. I cut mine into 2 triangles, but you can cut yours any way you want to. Step 8. Clean up your work area. Put away your ingredients and clean up where you put your sandwich together. Step 9. Eat the sandwich and enjoy!
Alright, so that was our lesson on explaining how to do something. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!